Namaste, Priyanka from Hubli branch. Today I will show how to make a Kerala chips in LG micron, crispy and crunchiness. Let's see the ingredients. I took half cup of besan atta, salt for taste, turmeric powder, and for color 1 pinch of color, orange color. Then I took some chili powder for taste, and I am taking the kebab masala. Will get a nice taste for Kerala fries. Okay, and some butter. Or externally you can take the oil with the karela pieces. I'll just mix all the ingredients with the karela. ಕಲರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮಣ್ಣೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿನಿ ಈಗ ಅದನ್ನ Okay, just I'm taking it for convection. Just taking it the micro for 20 minutes. 10 minutes for one side and 10 minutes for other side. Yes. 25 seconds. Okay, after that we just remove and show the crispy of Kerala chips. Okay. Chiti, 1 ನಿಮಿಷ ನಿಲ್ಲ. Finally we got end on display. I'll just show how it looks.
तड़का ना दे
Thanks for watching the video. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment box.